Hello and welcome to another cookout with Pitmaster Brewski. Today, like I said yesterday, we were going to make these chicken breasts right here. Yum yum. And as you can see, here's all the ingredients I'm using. Salt, onion powder, garlic powder, cinnamon, lemon pepper, and pepper. And that's the secret ingredient right there. And this is my secret ingredient for the make it through the day. And I also got brown sugar in there. And everything is about a tablespoon and a half each, and about about half a cup of brown sugar and a 1/4 cup of salt. Now, this is what the mix looks like when it's all ready to go. Mix it up real good. This is your rub, homemade rub. And in here I can see I cut slits into the chicken so that before I never did that, but this time I decided to, so I can get in there. You don't want to cut all the way through, but anyways, now we're gonna add this pancake syrup. Sounds weird, but it helps it stick and makes it real sweet. You lather that up. You want to do both sides. Well, if you hear any noise in the background, that's the kids playing in the pool. Our future Olympic stars. Like that. Now we add the rub to all the chicken. Make sure you don't be generous. Don't be shy. The reason for the salt in there, that's your tenderizer. Look at that. Trust me, you're gonna love this chicken. Put that in there. And then when you get it on both sides, you want to refrigerate it. I usually do about an hour and a half or so. The longer the better. The reason why I put it in a pan like this too is because once the meat starts sweating, well, it starts filling the pan up with water and juices. And so now we're going to flip the chicken over. Alright. Now this side you don't have to cut slices in it because you already went through halfway on the other side. But now you want to put the pancake syrup or whatever kind of syrup works for you. 100% maple syrup would probably be really good. Like that. And now we coat it again. Alright. Welcome back. We are now going to put this beautiful chicken on the grill. This has been sitting in the refrigerator for now an hour and a half. After an hour I flipped them. So now we're going to be putting them on the smoker and we will be cooking them up. Today we'll be using in the smoker is the Pit Boss Competition Blend. Here's the smoker. I got it heated up to 225. We will cook them on 225 for approximately an hour. And then after that we will bring them off the grill and put them in tin foil with a little bit of butter in there. Then you place them back on the grill for another additional half an hour at 225. Then after an half an hour is gone, we take them back off, out of the tin foil, barbecue them. Some ways you barbecue some and not some, because some people don't like barbecue sauce, but then we put them back on for another additional half an hour or until they reach 160. Alright, let's look at these babies on the grill. Alright, open this baby up. Now I usually place them on towards the stack side here. Place them on there like so. You put one in front of, you want to get them closer to the end, because you want to keep them away from the center, because that's where your hot box is, where your pellets are. So you want to keep them kind of towards the edge. And baby's on there like so. Oh my goodness. That competition blend smells amazing. Of course, I got one oddball chicken breast, so it ain't gonna quite fit over there. So I'm gonna place that one on the left side over here on the firebox. It didn't quite fit on this side. So now we'll close the lid up, and we will come back in about an hour and see where we're at. All right, see you in a little bit. All right, welcome back. We are about to take these chicken breasts off the grill and put them in tin foil. They've been on there for an hour. Now we're gonna get these babies off and get them wrapped in tin foil. Here they are right here. There's one lone soldier over there. There's the other 6. They've been on there for an hour. Now we're gonna take them off. So you look at the nice cuts in there. All that seasoning and stuff went into the grooves. Oh man, the juices is running off of these right now. It's gonna be amazing. So I'm putting them in a pan right now. I'm gonna bring them over to the picnic table. Not really picnic table, but patio table. And we're gonna get these babies wrapped in tin foil with a little bit of butter. And then we're gonna put them back on at 225 for half an hour. All right, here we go. Get our next one ready. Maybe put a big one or a small one in with, so there's different size. A little more butter. Such sharp knives. A little butter in there. Then we fold it up. Number 2. Our next one, I believe we'll add 3 to this one. We only got 3 left. Now we're going to want a little extra butter. We'll add in there. It'll mix in. Now I probably short myself on tin foil. So then what we got to do is we got another piece of tin foil, which I already got made. And then we put this over the top. Fold it under. Voila. Now we're going to place these back on the grill for an additional half an hour. Turn it up. Same as normal, put them back on. Like so. Now we cook them at 225 for an additional half an hour, and we will be back in a half an hour. And we're back. The chicken has been on for another half an hour in the tin foil, which we're going to take off the grill. So we'll take this stuff out. It's been on for an hour and a half now. It's kind of hot, but if you have your tin foil, your pan close, it's not so bad. Drag them, it doesn't stick. So that, and then we'll bring it back over. Close it. Make sure you close the lid so it gets back up to temperature. Because you want to keep it at 225. All right, now we're going to take the chicken back out of the tin foil. This is where it was. Oh my goodness! Look at that. I recommend using tongs. I can smell cinnamon. Careful you don't lose one. I'm not really sure what the butter does yet, but it is good. Trust me. Now we're gonna barbecue some and not some. I recommend putting all the slits up, where you cut the slits in it. Looks like we got them all up. So now we're gonna slap some barbecue sauce. We're using Sweet Baby Ray's, hickory and brown sugar. Lather that up. Maybe we'll make 4 of them with barbecue sauce. Now the spreading of the barbecue sauce, so just any knife will work or whatever you got. Some people use brushes. Spread that out. We're gonna go back to the grill and put them on for an additional half an hour. I'm going to put a glove on because the pan is hot for some reason. Alright, let's go back. Set at 225 yet. Now we place the chicken breast back on the grill. Listen to that sizzling. The chicken is already tender because now we're going to do the finishing cook. I'm going to try to get them all over in this one side. There we go. Alright. Now they're all on there. We will be back for the final part. So we'll see you in about 30 minutes. All right, everyone, we are done. The cook is over. The last half an hour has been completed. We're now going to reveal the done chicken. As you can see, some are barbecued and some are not. This is the probe, obviously. Oh man. And like before, when I did the half an hour cook in the tin foil, there are some juices in there, like you can see in here. It's optional. You can keep it because it's already cooked. It's not bad for you, or you can keep it. I recommend keeping it because this chicken that's in the grill right now will soak up the rest of this juice. So now we're going to place the done chicken breast in the pan. Look at that. There it is. Bring this over to the table. Now eventually that chicken will soak up that grease, and if you're not ready to eat quite yet, put some tin foil over the top, let it rest for a little bit, let it give some time to soak up that meat or that juice, and you'll be set for some good eating. If you like the recipe, please comment. If you come with another idea, let me know, and we will get ready for the next cookout. Make sure to like and subscribe to Pitmaster Brewski, and get ready for the next cookout. Thank you, and goodbye.